Oh, hi. Today on Amazon, I found something that helped organize my belonging. It helped organize me. It saved my life! Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, folks, so this is it. This is what I found. They're shoe organizers. It's a shoe organizer, and it comes with 6 different compartments. And it works wonderfully. It's only about 35 bucks. And in the video, I refer to this as a bin, like bins, but, and actually they are, you see, closet storage, bins. But don't get confused, because at one point I refer to something else as a bin, which is also a bin. But yeah, that's it. Let me go ahead and show you how to set this up. All right, so to set this up is fairly simple. What we need to do is open up this flap here and just kind of undo the creases. And there's these little notches here that all you need to do is just bend it on both sides. Just like that. And first I'll put in the back part. You can see the grooves. And the grooves need to just fit right at the very edge. And with that little notch, it will help it snap in. Just like that. Cool. And then we put in the door. And by the way, this has little feet here, so you want to make sure that the door matches the feet. And the door, I want the door to open up from the left-hand side to match the other boxes that I already set up. Snap. Now I do the other side. Ooh, look at that! Shoebox used for another purpose. It's pretty cool. So then you just stack it on top of your other box. Looks good, huh? Now maybe I'll add a label, I don't know. But this could be like my little battery compartment. Down here could just be for the small little tripods that I have. I don't know what I'll put for the other ones yet. But yeah, why don't we go ahead and take a look to see how my room is where I'm gonna place this. This is my office, my bedroom office right here. And this is fairly clean, right? But look at this nightmare down here. I got nonsense down here. So these pieces of equipment, small little tripods, cables, whatever, I'm gonna put that in the bin. So I don't have to have it in here. It's like a closet with skeletons in there. So I was trying to figure out where I wanted to put the bins, because I like to keep my room uncluttered. And as you can see here, this could be like an ideal spot, but I like it kind of empty there. And I thought again, and I was just like, wait a minute, I could put it in a closet and it'll be perfect up here. And I'll just like clear this stuff up and probably put some of those things in the bins. And let's see how that looks when I'm done. All right, so I went ahead and cleared out this bin. The only thing that's in here are 2 boxes. And ta-da, look at that. Whoa, he's so organized. Actually, the rest of the closet kind of looks like a hot mess, but yeah, so this is kind of cool. So now I have in here like my tripods, my little tripods. In here I have some mics, mics and headphones down here. Up here, some stuff that I'm trying to sell on Craigslist, and some camera related stuff, a lens cap, a little parrot prompter, parrot teleprompter. Up here I think it's still empty. I don't think I have anything up here yet. And over here is like some miscellaneous stuff. So I could probably add like another set of boxes down here. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know. And kind of clean up the rest of these. But I think that's pretty cool. And now that could be hidden and my room stays minimalistic. All right. Wall over there is still empty and I could breathe. Oh, hi. Keep sneaking up on me. Look, did you like that shoebox, that organizer that I showed you? It's pretty cool, huh? It's pretty nice, eh? Look, you guys, if there's some other organizers that you've used that works just as well as this, mention that in the comments. I want to know, because it took me a while to actually find just that, and then I had to look up shoe boxes, and I found some that looked really good. So I like them. Let me know what your thoughts are about them, and I really do want to see if there's some others that are kind of similar. So that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.